Hello, students. Welcome back to Avid Education Academy, your friendly place for easy and clear science learning. Today, we're going to talk about something very important in agriculture: the use of fertilizers and manures. These two play a big role in improving soil fertility and increasing crop production. And by the end of this lesson, you'll understand why farmers rely on them so much. Let's begin with manures. Manures are natural substances obtained from the decomposition of animal waste, plant residue, and other organic matter. They are rich in organic carbon and help in improving the structure of soil, making it more fertile and better at holding water. You can think of manure as a natural food for the soil. गोबर, पत्तियां और जैविक अपशिष्ट से बनी खाद को मैन्योर कहते हैं। यह मिट्टी की उर्वरता और संरचना को सुधारती है। For example, when farmers use cow dung manure, it slowly releases nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium into the soil. Unlike chemicals, it doesn't harm the soil and helps crops grow in a sustainable way. Now let's look at fertilizers. Fertilizers are chemical substances manufactured in factories. They contain specific nutrients in high concentration like nitrogen N, phosphorus P, and potassium K. That's why they are often called NPK fertilizers. These nutrients are essential for plant growth. उर्वरक फर्टिलाइजर्स कारखानों में बने रासायनिक पदार्थ होते हैं जिनमें नाइट्रोजन, फॉस्फोरस और पोटेशियम जैसे पोषक तत्व होते हैं. For example, urea is a nitrogen-rich fertilizer, while superphosphate is used to supply phosphorus. If a farmer wants quick results and faster growth of crops like wheat or rice, fertilizers work much faster than manures. But here's something important. Fertilizers may give instant results, but overuse can damage the soil, reduce its fertility in the long run, and even pollute water sources. On the other hand, manures are eco-friendly but slower in action. That is why most modern farming practices recommend a balanced use of both. Fertilizers for quick nutrient supply and manures for long-term soil health. केवल उर्वरकों का अधिक उपयोग मिट्टी को नुकसान पहुंचा सकता है. मैन्योर और उर्वरक का संतुलित प्रयोग सबसे अच्छा माना जाता है. Let's consider an example. Imagine two fields, one where only chemical fertilizers are used, and another where fertilizers and manures are used together. In the first case, crops may grow fast initially, but over a few years, the soil becomes hard and less productive. In the second case, the soil stays rich, healthy, and productive for a longer time. So, to recap, manures are natural, improve soil structure, and are safe for the environment, but they act slowly. Fertilizers are chemical, work quickly, and boost yields, but if misused, they can harm the soil. The smart approach is to use both wisely for sustainable farming. Now, here's a thought for you. If organic manures are so beneficial for soil health, why do you think farmers still rely heavily on chemical fertilizers? Reflect on this balance between quick result and long-term sustainability. That's all for today's session on fertilizers and manures. If you enjoyed this explanation and found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Avid Education Academy. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.